Hello, grade 2. Today's grammar lesson is called Commands and Exclamation. Okay? So, last time we revised what a sentence is. We said that a sentence is a group of words that tells you a complete thought. And we also revised two types of sentences. We said that a statement is a sentence that tells you something. Okay? And a question is a sentence that asks you something. We also mentioned that a sentence must always begin with a capital letter and has an end mark. A statement ends with a period, and a question ends with a question mark. Okay? So today we will learn about two more types of sentences. Okay? Let's open our book to page 6 and see what is a command and what is an exclamation. Alright, so it says here a command. A command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. Again, a command is a sentence that tells someone to do something. Okay, it begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, just like a statement. Okay, so how are they different? A statement tells you about something or about someone, but a command tells you to do something. Example, come to the zoo with us. Come to the zoo with us. Okay, next, what about an exclamation? An exclamation is a sentence that shows strong feeling. An exclamation ends with an exclamation mark. Example, what a funny monkey I saw. What a funny monkey I saw. Okay, as you see here, like any other sentence, it begins with a capital letter, but here an exclamation ends with an exclamation mark. All right? Okay, let's have a look at two examples here. It says, what kind of sentence is this? I want you to read the sentence and you will tell me whether it's a command or an exclamation. Okay? It says here, read the sign. Read the sign. Okay, so when you think about it, the sentence is telling you to do something. What is it telling you to do? It's telling you to read the sign. And let's look at the end mark. It ends with a period. So is this a command or an exclamation? It's a command. Okay, why? Because it's telling me to do something. How do I know? How do I make sure? It ends with a period. Okay, sentence number 2. That is a huge sign. That is a huge sign. Okay, here I'm surprised, or I'm showing strong feeling about the size of the sign. Okay, and how? So that's an exclamation. What else shows me that this is an exclamation? The exclamation mark at the end. So this is an exclamation. All right. Okay. Let's go to page 6 in the textbook and we will answer it together. Okay. It says here, read each sentence. Tell if each sentence is a command or an exclamation. Okay. What are we going to do? On page 6, we will read each sentence and then we will see if the sentence is a command or an exclamation. Remember, a command is a sentence that tells you to do something. An exclamation shows excitement, shows anger, shows feelings. Okay? And each sentence has a different end mark. All right, let's see. Bring your camera along. Bring your camera along. Is it telling you to do something? Yes. Does it end with a period? Yes. So this is a command. Okay. What about number 2? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So what type of sentence is this? It ends with an exclamation mark, and I said it was strong feeling, so this is an exclamation. Sorry. All right, what about number 3? Let me take your picture. Let me take your picture. The sentence is telling me to do something. So this is a command. How do I make sure that this is a command and not an exclamation? I look at the end of the sentence and it ends with a period. All right. Number 4, how big that elephant is. How big that elephant is. Okay? Is it a command or an exclamation? It's an exclamation. Strong feeling and ends with an exclamation mark. All right. Number 5. Look for the baby gorilla. Look for the baby gorilla. All right? So it's telling me to look for something. And at the end, it ends with a period. All right. So is this a command or an exclamation? It's a command. All right. So now we're done with page 6. Okay? Here, this is what the page looked like. And if you didn't get to write the answers, okay? Okay, now let's go to page 7. On page 7, part A, you will read each sentence, okay? And then you will see if the sentence is a command. It says, read each sentence, then write letter C after each command. So I will read each sentence. If the sentence is a command, I will write the letter C next to it or beside it. Okay, let's do number 6 together. It says here, look at my map. Look at my map. Okay, is the sentence telling me to do something? Yes. Does it end with a period? Yes. Okay, so it is a command. I will write C next to it. Okay, now I want you to try to answer number 7 to 10 by yourself, and then you come back and check your answers, okay, to see if you were correct or not. All right, number 7. Help me find the lions. Help me find the lions. Is it telling me to do something? Yes, it's telling to help the person find the lions. Does it end with a period? Yes. So it's a command. Okay, number 8. What a long snake. What a long snake. Is it telling me to do something? No. Does it end with a period? No, it ends with an exclamation mark. So is this a command? No. We will leave number 8. Number 9. Take a picture of the tiger. Take a picture of the tiger. Is it telling you to do something? Yes. Does it end with a period? Yes. So what do? I write C because it's a command. Number 10. This zoo is great. This zoo is great. Okay. Does it tell me to do something? And it ends with an exclamation mark. So that means that this is an exclamation, not a command. We will leave number 10. Okay, so part B. What does part B say? It says read each sentence, then write statement, question, command, or exclamation. All right? So, what will we do? We will read each sentence. We will see if the sentence is a statement, or a question, or command, or an exclamation. Let's revise. A statement tells you something about something or someone. Question is asking you something. Okay? A statement ends with a period. A question ends with a question mark. A command tells you to do something and also ends with a period. An exclamation shows strong feelings, shows excitement, shows anger, and ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, let's do number 11. The seals like to swim. The seals like to swim. It's just telling you that the seals likes to swim, and it ends with a period. Okay, so it's a statement. Okay, if it tells you to do something, it would be a command. But it's just telling you that seals like to swim, so it's a statement. Number 12. Is the giraffe tall? Is the giraffe tall? It's asking if the giraffe is tall or not. And it ends with a question mark. So this is a question. Okay, I want you, if you're not sure what type of sentence this is, to go and look at the end mark to make sure. Number 13. Come see the brown bear. Come see the brown bear. Here it's telling you to come see the bear. It ends with a period, so this is a command. Okay. Number 14. Where is the kangaroo? Where is the kangaroo? Okay, where is a word that we usually use in questions, okay, asking you about the place of something, and you find here a question mark at the end. So this is a question. Number 15. How big the zoo is. How big the zoo is. Okay, here the question, the sentence is read with strong feeling, and it ends with an exclamation mark. So this is an exclamation. Okay, so again, we have 4 types of sentences. A statement is a sentence that tells you something, begins with capital letter, and ends with a period. A question is a sentence that asks you about something or about someone and ends with a question mark. A command tells you to do something, begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. An exclamation begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamation mark. And you usually read it, or you usually say it with strong feeling. Okay? Okay. Alright, so this is the page. I hope all your answers were correct, and see you in your next video. Alright?